Adding music to post on Instagram is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now before we start, I'd like to make it clear that you cannot add music to a post after it has already been published. If you forgot, your only options are to delete and report, or share the post to your story and add music from there. But if you're going to upload a new post, you're going to launch the Instagram app and log in. And once you go to your profile, you're going to click on the plus sign at the bottom. Now, once you click on it, at the bottom of it, you're going to see where it says Reel, Story, or Post. You're going to choose Post. And this is what it's going to look like when you choose Post. Then you're going to click on the post that you want to post. And then you're going to click on Next. You can see at the bottom it says Music. You're going to click here to add the music that you want to add. You're going to search for the music here. And once you find the music, you're going to click on it. And you're going to click on this arrow here for it to add the music to your post. Now, you can also decide to click on the next and then choose the music from here. So you can go to add music here and then find the music that you want to add, and then click on the arrow.
La matuna en el prom, no quiere el don. Una en el prom, no quiere el don. Una en el prom.
And then you're going to click done. Now you're going to go ahead and fill up the post details, and you're going to click share once you're done. And just like that, you should be able to add music to your post on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.